Okay, first of all, we have this railroad
Southern Pacific,
model.
SD45,
Why is it an SD45?
the angled radiators,
Good job. What's this locomotive's number?
7524.
Very good. Look at this side view detail. The radiators are still angled.
Yep.
Now we have this engine.
That's a Southern Pacific tunnel motor.
You mean the SD40T-2?
Yes.
And why is it a tunnel motor?
It has different radiators on the back for going through tunnels and not making a lot of smoke.
What's this engine's number?
8265.
And here,
I have an SD45 Santa Fe.
what's this engine's number?
5346.
Behind it is a C30-7. Notice it's wearing the Kodachrome livery of the failed merger between Southern Pacific and Santa Fe. And also this C30-7 right there.
84.
We also have this locomotive here.
That's Clinchfield SD45-2.
The Clinchfield locomotive's number.
3618.
And behind it is a Utah Belt. It's not a real railroad.
9501.
Perfect.
That was a model railroad, the Utah Belt.
Right?
An HO model railroad that somebody built.
Notice why it's an SD45-2?
The rear radiators are different. They're smooth, close, not as angled.
The GP40-2?
Yep. Rio Grande.
We can also pronounce it Rio Grande.
Yep.
What's this engine's number?
3114.
Okay. And behind it is
3102.
The logo looks nice. And why is it a GP40-2?
Well, it only has four axles, so it's a GP. 40 would mean 3,000 horsepower.
And we have this.
That's a Southern Pacific, and that's a SD45-2.
It's an SD45T-2 engine.
Oh, it's a tunnel motor. Okay.
What's its number?
9342.
Side view illustration.
Yep.
And why is it a tunnel motor again?
It has different radiators on the back for going through tunnels and not making a lot of smoke.
And that concludes our locomotive video.